How to use VistaShopee Tally. Let's start with digital visiting card. Choose online visiting card and view. Your digital visiting card is ready with your business details and personal details. You can share it through any media available on your phone. Every field in this card is call to action button. People can view it, make a call back, connect to you through WhatsApp, email, SMS, and can check your website, reach to you through your Google Map link, social media profiles. People can store this card on their phones. Share it with others. Read about your company. This digital card can be saved directly to the receiver's phone contact book along with all the details in a single click. You can change the color of this card matching to your brand theme. Also update about us information through the admin panel given to you. Just log in to the admin panel with credentials already shared with you. Any changes related to design and business details can be managed centrally through the admin panel. To change the visiting card color, go to Settings and then Themes. You can change the color or use Picker to pick the accurate color of your logo. Submit will save the changes and reflect immediately. Similarly, About Us can be updated through Pages option. Type in the text or copy-paste it from the document. Changes done in the admin panel will get reflected immediately across all the users you have created. Going back to VistaShopee Tally app, where you can change your personal details through Personal option. Use ready Tally brochures with your company signature. Brochures related to Tally products and promotions are available ready under the Tally brochures section. Category-wise brochures are ready to download. Newer categories will be added eventually. Select the brochures and download them. Brochure is ready with your company details along with your contact details. Share immediately or save it for future sharing. Use the sync button every time to get the latest updates on brochures. Make social media posts using Tally images from Asset Center. VistaShopee has given ready post designs in different sizes for different social media. Choose the right media and then download the post design. You can check the post previews for clarity before downloading. Select the downloaded design and the post is ready with your business details. You can save it or share it immediately on the respective social media. You can personalize the post more, change the text, the photo or image. You can use images available in your phone gallery or download relevant images from the image library given in Assets Images, or can access Asset Gallery in case images are already downloaded from Asset Center. Download the images and use them here to make a post. Advanced Editor is also given to add more photos and decoratives on the existing design. Save or share immediately. Make flyers using ready image library given by Tally. Make a flyer with your company details and contact details. Select design and download it. The design has already been updated with your business and contact details. You can make changes to it through personalization. Flyer image can be changed. You can use asset images given by Tally to make the flyer. Background image can also be changed or replaced with a solid color. Text, if added, can be changed including its color and font size. Save the changes made. An advanced editor is available to make advanced changes like adding clip art stickers or other images or even text on it. Share it as an image or include your social media icons and share it as interactive PDF. Save will update the design and save it to My Flyers. You can access it quickly. Asset Center by Tally. All the content loaded by Tally is available under Asset Center. You can see different categories like videos, images, documents. You can update the Asset Center every time to receive new updates. You can explore through available content and can download by selecting it. Images can be used to make flyers, social posts to promote your business. Ready greetings of festivals and birthdays. Personalize and share. VistaShopee has given design library of greetings of different personal occasions, festivals and common days. Personalize and share with your customers, prospects, family and friends and stay connected. Choose the greeting occasion and check for design available. Select the design you like and download it. Open the design you want to send. The greeting is ready with your business and personal details. You can personalize it. Mention the name to whom you are sending it. You can change the existing message. Message library is given to choose from. You can type in your own messages or copy paste it from the net. Font size, type and color can be changed. You can change the photograph if available in the design. Add the photo of the person you are sending it or any relevant photo to make it look more beautiful. The greeting is ready to share. Advanced personalization is possible. Fun text images can be added through Advanced Editor. Save and share it as an image or incorporate smart icons and share it as a PDF. Share it through the media available on your phone. Reminders. Mark important dates as reminders. Mention the title date and occurrence. Contact-wise birthday, anniversary reminders can also be set by importing respective contact. Events and reminders set so far are visible under All section. Scan cards through card scanner. VistaShopee Tally has inbuilt visiting card scanner. Use it to capture the photograph of physical visiting card of your prospect or new contact and scan it. With latest OCR technology, picture data gets converted into data fields and respective field tags get assigned to it. This data can be edited and field captions can be chosen for every data. You may add new fields if required. Contact gets saved along with the photograph captured. You may import device contacts or can add new contacts to contact list manually. Expenses. Maintain a list of your daily expenses folder-wise or month-wise along with expense receipts and invoices which you can export into Excel. Mention the type of expense and make a folder or category related to it. You may choose an invoice photocopy from Galleria or can click immediately choosing a camera. Done will save the entry to My Expenses. Under My Expenses, you can filter list of your expenses date-wise and can export it to Excel. Vault. Keep your documents safe, organized and handy in Vault. Some default categories are available under My Vault. Provision to add more categories is given. You can add documents category-wise. Fill up the details regarding the documents you are adding. like name, icon to represent the document. Choose the document type like PDF or camera in case you are clicking on the spot, or choose gallery if it is already in your photo gallery. Preview will appear in the box. You may add description about it. Reminder can be set for particular document, like if it is license, then set reminder for the renewal date. Or if it is insurance policy, then set maturity date as reminder. And decide the occurrence of the event. All reminders added here are visible under Reminders list